My name is Dheeraj. I am studying 8th class in Mathman School. Today we are reading editorial page and the topic is Troubled Mountains. We'll start it. The staging the collapse of the part of glacier in Uttarakhand, Nanda Devi Mountains and ensuring the floods have claimed too many lives come as the region can ever been taken granted. A significant slins in the glacier dislodged in landslide according to some satellite images produced roaring uh, torrents in the Rishi Ganga and Dolly Ganga rivers then and Kamoli district and trapping the unsuspecting workers to hydropower project sites scores the people are still missing in a wave of water silt in debris of the swamped river's wave of water, and it is filled tunnels with the Tapovan power projects, and although the immediate rescue of nearly 15 people by the ITBP, the army and the other agencies brings some cheer and rescues the face and challenging environment as they try to locate more survivors and brings relief supplies and the paralyzed communities. These immediate the measures are important along with the speedy compensation to affected families. But a center of Uttarakhand government cannot ignore the larger complex context and the state increasing the frailty the face of environment stocks. Once the crucible of environmentalism epitomized by the Sunderlal Bahugunna Gauradevi and Chippo movement and the state's deep gorges to the canyons that the track of the hydroelectric projects and the dams with little concern and the earthquake risk. Red flags have been raised repeatedly and particular after that the moderate quake in 1991 in the region where in the Theri Dam was built and 2013 floods that devastated Kedarnath point to the threat of the seismicity dam, including the microseismic landslides, floods to the variety of causes, and the including instability, glacial lakes in the climate change. This is today's editorial page of the Trouble Mountains. Will start.